In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Udemy videos. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to save your course videos for offline viewing using Udemy's own tools, in a way that's simple, safe, and respects the platform's rules. First, open Udemy either in your web browser or in the official mobile app. Make sure you're logged into the account that actually owns the course you want to download. This is important, because Udemy only allows downloads for courses you're enrolled in, and not every instructor enables downloading. If you don't see the option later on, it may be that the instructor has disabled it. Now, navigate to the course you want to download. From your course library, click or tap on the course title to open the course player. Give it a second to load the curriculum on the left side if you're on desktop, or under the Contents or Curriculum tab if you're on mobile. Next, look for the download icon next to an individual lecture. This usually looks like a downward-facing arrow. On desktop, it often appears when you hover your mouse over the video title or just underneath the video player. On mobile, you may see a download icon directly beside each lesson in the list. Click or tap that download icon to start saving the video for offline use. The download will begin automatically. If you're on a slower connection, give it a moment. Larger, high-resolution videos will take a bit longer. On mobile, you might be prompted to confirm that you want to download over Wi-Fi only, which is a good idea if you want to save mobile data. If you prefer to download multiple videos at once, check if there's an option in the course player to download an entire section or all lectures. When available, this will appear as a download section or download all button near the section title. Use this carefully, as downloading an entire course can take up a lot of storage space on your device. Once your videos are downloaded, you can access them directly from the Udemy app's Downloads or Offline section on mobile, or from the same course player on desktop if the browser supports offline playback. Remember that these downloads are meant for your personal use inside Udemy. They are tied to your account, and you should not share or re-upload them elsewhere. That's all you need to know to download Udemy videos for offline learning. Follow these steps, check your storage and connection, and you'll be able to keep studying even when you're away from the internet.